Time management is the key to productivity. If you're struggling to keep up with your workload, it's time to take control of your time. Here are some tips for effective time management. Tip 1. Plan your day the night before. Before you go to bed, take a few minutes to plan your day ahead. Write down your tasks and prioritize them based on their importance. This will help you stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Tip 2. Use time blocking. Time blocking is a technique where you schedule specific blocks of time for each task. This helps you avoid distractions and stay on task. Set a timer for each block of time and take short breaks in between to recharge. Tip 3. Limit distractions. Distractions can derail your productivity. Turn off your phone notifications and close unnecessary tabs on your computer. If you need to focus, try working in a quiet space or using noise-canceling headphones. Tip 4. Delegate and outsource. If you're overwhelmed with tasks, consider delegating or outsourcing some of them. This will free up your time and allow you to focus on the most important tasks. Tip 5. Take breaks. Taking breaks is crucial for maintaining productivity. When you're feeling stuck or burnt out, take a short break to recharge. Go for a walk, do some stretches, or simply take a few deep breaths. By implementing these tips, you can master your time and increase your productivity. Remember, effective time management takes practice and dedication, but the payoff is well worth it. By implementing these tips, you can master your time and increase your productivity. Remember, effective time management takes practice and dedication, but the payoff is well worth it. Maximize your productivity. Time management hacks.